All right, guys, we're back here once again. It's the Countdown to STAAR with Coach Ward here, Series 2, Page 3, number 2. Looks like we're dealing with some number line here, and we're estimating the square root. So let's look at it here. So it says, number 2, on which number line does point P best represent the approximate value of pi times the square root of 5? Okay, so this is a simple calculator type problem, or you can kind of mentally math estimate this. Okay, so here's what I would do if I'm looking at this particular problem, if I don't have a calculator available. So I'm looking at it from a perspective of, well, I know pi is more than 3. Okay, I know that pi is more than 3, excuse me. So I'm just going to make that indication here that pi is going to be greater than 3. Okay, it's about 3.14. All right. So the next thing I do is the square root of 5. Well, I know that the square root of 4 is equal to 2. So that means that the square root of 5 has to be 2.2 something, something, something. Just kind of thinking about mentally. So if I'm going to multiply these two things together, I'm looking at somewhere around maybe 6, a little more than 6. So just based off of that fact alone, I can help myself eliminate a few answers here. I can look at, well, if I'm looking at something more than 6, well, I'm going to eliminate F because that's less than 6. And then I'm also going to eliminate this one here close to 8 because I don't think we have enough decimal power here to get us all the way to 8. Okay, so I'm going to eliminate this guy as well. So I'm left with 2 possible choices. Now, at this point, if you want to say, well, this is a little more than 6, you can make your guesstimate or your estimate, and you can look at letter H here. But I'm going to put this into the calculator because we have that access available. And then I'm going to take a look and see what we've got going on here. So let's put it in. So pi, so I'm going to hit second and the caret button over here. It's located right under the clear. So I'm going to look at pi, all right? And then it says times the square root. So square root is going to be second. And x squared is located right here next to comma, x squared. And then second square root of 5. And I'm just going to hit enter. And it says it's 7.02. So now, based off of what we looked at, we have 2 possible answer choices, but it looks like we took a guess here, but really our answer choice lies here. So again, make sure you guys are using your calculators. Make sure you're using all of the resources that you have available as you need them. Okay.